yɛda yɛhɔ Yankopɔn ase dɛ ɔzen so ɔda kyehia na yɛhyia ɛwɔ the truth dwumasi ɛdo yɛwɔ ni som dɛ yɛn ahwɛfo ne yɛn tiefo nyinaa so ɛho yie yɛda wɔ nyinaa ase ɛwɔ bere a yɛhyɛ adesua a ɔyɛ Saturday or Sunday, on which day did the first century Christians worship God? Yɛhyɛ dɛm adesua yi ase wɔne na abom ebe yɛhita ya bɔmmɔdzen na yɛahwehwɛ Onyankopɔn asɛm mu yɛnhu sɛ Onyankopɔn ɛka ɛfa memenda ɛsom ho na yɛbɔ hu sɛ Onyankopɔn aka ɔdze afa kosida ɛsom ho nti ndɛ yɛbɔ ho mmɔdzen dɛ yɛdze adesua no nyinara bɛbɛwie yi ndɛ ɔno nti bere a yɛbɔ mmɔdzen dɛ yɛdze bɛwie yi prɛko pɛ yɛbɔ mmɔdzen dɛ bɛyɛ recap kakra yɛdze afa ndzɛmba bi a yɛakasa afa ho ɛwɔ previous lessons na yɛyɛ no ɛho ɔno nti modɔfo a modɔ ɔwuraze mu yɛsɛ Onyankopɔn nhyira bebree Onyankopɔn ɛmbɔ ho ban ɔmmɛzɛre yɛ bia ɛnkɔdo ama bere biara no ɛnyɛ pɛ na anigye na ɛne the truthful abom esua Onyankopɔn asa ɔno nti bla yɛhyɛ adesua no ase no yɛbɛyɛ bɔtwa adwe besi do dɛ Onyankopɔn a ɔze memenda som adze man no ɔnora na ɔdze dɛm hyehyɛ no ɔdze ma ɔman Israel nti yɛbɛhu dɛ ɛsom a ɔyɛ Jewfo ɛsom a Onyankopɔn ne zina Moses bi na ɔdze ma ɔman no egyanom abrodo na dɛm som no enyi hɔ nti yɛbɛyɛ bɔhwɛ na yɛbɛhu dɛ bla Onyankopɔn bɔ ne wiase na ɔgye n'ahom ɛwɔ ɛda a ɔtɔdo esua na ɔtsew da no ho no bere a ɔdze dame mbra a ɔyɛ ma Moses ema ɔdze ma ɔman no Onyankopɔn dze dame adwene ne bɛhyɛ Moses adwene mu hu ne dɛ ɔnam dɛ ɔno Onyankopɔn gye n'ahom nti ɔdze dame ahomgye dze ma ɔman no dɛ ɔno nso ɛda a ɔtɔdo esua no wɔn ho de wɔn sie no konkron nti yɛbɛnyɛ kɛsɛfoɔ bi firi mu a yɛfrɛ no prolepsis nti Onyankopɔn zi kan ɔkɛɛto wɔ with the intention dɛ dɛm asɛm no bɔkɔdo de wɔwie ɛpɛyɛ nti yɛbɛyɛ bohuni ɛwɔ Onyankopɔn ne nhyehyɛeɛ a ɔse ma ɔman Israel na ɔno akyi no yɛbɛyɛ bohuni dɛ dɛm nhyehyɛeɛ na Onyankopɔn se ma ɔman Israel no Onyankopɔn amfa ma ɔman biara ɛka ɔman Israel ho nkoten ɛwɔ na nkɔfa a Onyankopɔn ze ɔyɛ memene da another Sabbath mbla no ɔze mo ho meno ɛbɛkenkane ɛwɔ Numbers meno bɛkenkane ɛwɔ Exodus chapter 19 verse number 1 through 6 Exodus chapter 19 verse number 1 through 6 Bible ni adanse dɛ ɔdze dame mbra no zema ɔman Israel ɛwɔ bra Onyankopɔn ɛna Moses do no ɔkɔ kayi ho an ɛwɔ Egypt na ɔdze ho an ba bepɔ Sinai ase hɔ na Moses fo kɔre bepɔ Sinai do na ɔkagye dame mbra no ɛze bae yɛbɛn mu ni ɛwɔ Exodus chapter 20 verse number 1 to 8 no Bible no say Onyankopɔn kɛse ɛkyerɛ Israelfo dɛ ɛda a ɔtɔdo esuan wɔsie no konkron na ɔyɛ konkron ma ɔno Yehowa Onyankopɔn Damara na Deuteronomy chapter 5 verse 1 to 2 no so bɛka ɛdze fa ho Onyankopɔn bɛka dɛ dɛm mbra na ɔdze ma ɔman Israel no ɔwɔ na wɔtete ase a Israelfo tete wɔ dam abro no ɔwɔ no Onyankopɔn ɔdze dɛm hyehyɛ no ɔwɔ no Onyankopɔn ɔdze dɛm mbra no ɔdze ma ho Damara na Psalm 147 verse number 19 and 20 Psalm 147 verse number 19 and 20 Onyankopon se ne da membre no wanfa ntro biara wanfa amo biara ozima Jacob asefo ozima Israel fo nkoten one omani biara enzi da membre no enti Sabbath membre no Onyankopon ne Israel fo nkoten no no zi a omani biara enka ho even Egypt fu na oman Israel ekronkosu wo mu nkwa no ohon kwa amfa da membre no amfa mo no the man in Amos chapter 3 verse number 1 and 2 no Onyankopon se Israel man nkoten na onim ho ewo wiasa na wo ho na madulum o se na ohon nkoten na Onyankopon na nkofo a oze da membre no oze mo ho na ebotwa bi besi do e ma yihu ne de Onyankopon membre na oze ma oman Israel no owo zina ahoro bebre a ono Onyankopon oda na ezi e wo tro sam no owo zina ahoro bebre a ono Onyankopon oda na ezi e wo tro sam no na tedema memendafo eka de ye wo moral law ye wo sele moral law Onyankopon anka nem Onyankopon nanka se betre de embrana ozima oma Israel no ozina horo wa onam do Moses do em wo de frɛ da membra horo no na da membra ni hina so no oyembre konara ezinu no sun za wo de frɛ obiara na mum oyembre konara Onyankopon na Moses do na ozima oma Israel enti odu baby no Onyankopon say the book of the law embrama enti ehwe Deuteronomy chapter 31 verse number 26 Deuteronomy chapter 31 verse number 26 Joshua chapter 1 verse number 8 them no ba ken the maroso na the me embrekoro la Onyankopon ezimo ho no wosenso fa da membre no the book of the covenant ashem buku izina Onyankopon ezima membre no ene ye kan wasem nso ye moral law any moral law message the word moral law any moral law no enya no Bible mu na the way the what church mu kwampo no ono na mfa because was it oya Sabbath no abaka moral laws no na Sabbath so obi oni ma adeso bia ne de Sabbath ye moral law obi oni ma adeso bia ne de Sabbath ye moral law but oda abaka because we pay we maintain the 10 commandments odo ha ye dwuma ono na the truth ye ka adwisi de onye ne kwa Onyankopon asemu Onyankopon na oze dem 10 commandments enne embranke na oze me Israel fo no Onyankopon na nkasa eyina azefuro enti embra Onyankopon is me Israel about 613 laws do's and don't a Christopher enche akupase nde Onyankopon is ma oman Israel na Onyankopon is apamfoforo ozabra a Christopher enti Bible is adanse the embrana Onyankopon is ma Israel fo no the membra no otum na wofra no the book of the covenant ashem buku and the ashem nhoma and Exodus chapter 24 verse number 7 Exodus chapter 24 verse number 7 the man also and the book no wotum wofra no the law of Moses embra enti onso Moses embra no so na raze embra no so embra buku ni na ya embra konola nemo izina ahoro na wotum wo de frɛ the membra na Onyankopon zima Moses no enti wotum wo frɛ no Moses embra na chapter 8 verse number 1 na chapter 8 verse number 1 First Kings chapter 2 verse number 3 First Kings chapter 2 verse number 3 the membra konola wotum wo frɛ no the law of God Onyankopon nambra na chapter 8 verse number 8 na the membra ko na wotum wo frɛ the law of the Lord eraze nambra na chapter 9 verse number 3 na chapter 9 verse number 3 Luke chapter 2 verse number 23 Luke chapter 2 verse number 23 on it the membra ni hina no Onyankopon zime oman Israel omani biara enka ho na the membra na Onyankopon zime oman Israel no Onyankopon share bode obasesa da membre no ebi na adenti na Onyankopon ka de obasesa da membre no o sene de embre no asemo hon wontum wanziro. Ezekiel chapter 20 verse number 12 through 16 Bible ne say Israel mba no eku Onyankopon na homojembre no ne sabat no ogu hu fi poto was send poto. Ezekiel chapter 20 verse number 12 through 16 enti Onyankopon ka de obasesa da membre no. Hosea chapter 2 verse number 11 Hosea chapter 2 verse number 11 Amos chapter 3 Amos chapter 8 verse number 5 through 9 Amos chapter 8 verse number 5 through 9 Onyankopon kare obasesa da membre no enti Israel frankasa wo sha ase da wase Onyankopon de anabreben anadeben ena sabat no betwom bosom foforo ba besen emo wezikwa wato na watan enti Onyankopon mo hu ne de ono Onyankopon no boso ne asase obasesa da membre no enti Jeremiah chapter 31 verse number 31 to 36 Jeremiah chapter 31 verse number 31 to 36 Jeremiah chapter 3 verse number 16 enti chapter 3 verse number 16 Onyankopon ka de obodre bebi a ono Onyankopon o ma Israel mba enko konko mekonto be ho ne wan kasra apam adaka na 10 commandment wo mu no enti Onyankopon mu ho de brebi baba winya akwanya ne wakoda me ho no o se ne de se da mabro no memende su no twoma da me hyehye no ne ina be fi wo enti Jeremiah chapter 31 verse 31 Bible no say ono Onyankopon na oboso ni asase owu ne de oman Israel what etwa ewo no Onyankopon no do ne wa twon we foro Onyankopon asem no Onyankopon mu hu ne de David ba ne wanya duru de me Israel fie eniju de fie bezi ahyem foforo onti de ahyem a me ne wajenim si ewo bra muso woni sem be yi won ewo Egypt ma hyem a wotwen Jeremiah chapter 31 verse 31 to 22 enti Onyankopon ka de oji apam foforo baba enti Onyankopon hyebo do ozi apam foforo baba Colossians chapter 2 verse number 14 through 17 is adanse de Yesu Kristo obey no obebe yi apam dada no oji ko gbo memudio oniti o share de memme biala ntuyenfo memme biala share de yenko so memme da memme biala share de memme yinzi enama ahuni nu ho enti Onyankopon de be yi de me hihye ni na je fuo oji akogbo ascendium enti 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse number 5 through 18 Bible no say nye de hinale Yesu ye a Yesu ye free eho Yankopon ono ane wa me ya fata apamfofo no mu asomfo na enye kyerɛwe na kyerɛwe ne zi okum na sunsun zo omankwa enti Bible no say ya fata de Yesu mu apamfofo mu na enye kyerɛwe ne bia kyerɛwe ne 10 commandments na Onyankopon jin sa kyerɛwe ewo obodo o se da meta 10 commandments okum adenti na okum eda Moses kra ka je 10 commandments be nimpa 3000 na owi da meta na o se na wo be no oboto no wosom abosom the Bible no say oja embrem mani muzigba daze ema obubui na Onyankopon ka se kyerɛ de anwo na wo pere wuzi Onyankopon le chi wo mezi na chi Bible no say na Levi fu ka zi Moses echi na wo ma ho kwan mo kunkum Israel ba no na wo hina no about 3000 na da meta na okunwa Exodus chapter 32 verse number 28 epilepsia shall say ewo verse number 1 and the Bible no say embre no okum Moses embre no Yankopon ezema no okum o send there e de wakaje be no in 3000 no we Bible no so okum o send there say obi etu da membre na sabat embre no eka wosu abo Numbers chapter 15 verse number 32 go see 36 obi okapa yina Bible ne se e wa ahomegeda wosu na abo Bible ne kire de na apamfo ne zi omankwa adanti na omankwa edara Christian so me hyase nipa 3000 na wo yenkwa Acts chapter 2 verse number 41 no se onwa na woji enigeje oyankopon asem wo mo ho kwan mo bo na su na danara nimpa mpensa beka won ho. And that day about 3,000 souls were baptized and added onto the number. And dama abranala nimpa 3,000 no obesu. Bible ne kire there apamfo mu say ye mona ye ke ye mona oye no kwalfo on let say no obeche no what so if don't see na ho. 1 John chapter 1 verse number 8 and 9. Also say ke ni bona na your trofo na no kono ni mu na say ye ke ye bona oye no kwalfo on let say ni no obeche no what so if don't see na ho. Apamde de limu no Bible ne ba kire there say nipa ye mona wosu na abo. Ten commandments no Bible ba kire there Sabbath mbra so obi ton wosu na abo. No aba kenkan ededo ewo Numbers chapter 15 verse number 32 obi kapia ina Sabbath wosu na abo. Enti Bible no say da memre wontum wonziro enti odo yakopon eze apamfofo aba ebesi nanenemu. Enti ekristofo ehye apamfofo ase na mu won hye apamdado ase. 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse number 19 to 21. Paul say so oka Jew furu wo mu a oye no hot there oye Jew ni na say oba amanamene fu wo mu a oye no hot there oye amanamene mu oye no hot obi a onimbrase na mu o Kristo na mbra na ase e wa apamfofo nti Kristofo e hye apamfofo no ase na mu Kristofo e hye apamdada ase na ono echi no mebe mbotwe wa adwene besi Kublis of the Sabbatarians argument memendafo eye de Sabbath wo ho obiara wandi memenda wanso memenda no wandi Sabbath do no obokosemu. The truth yele mo yakopon asem le kade obiara oboso memenda obokosemu. And the waka no or a contrary to the our ground or a direct opposite say obi ekade anso memenda beti fa the truth in we yakopon asem do etwa adwen esini de onya no kwa we yakopon asem ye di kan yakada ma asem de do na mo onam de ye da so ni na ba wi nti ye wrap up e woda ma do so ehu Bible in the do what should there say obi anso memenda oboko osemu ene abokosem bia onto them na waka yakinka ni hinala ya bohwere ma abokosem ni hinara onenti za waka ekroye de say obi anko wanso memenda obezi for o say the heaven wompo yepa ebwa kosom e wo memenda. The truth ye no abohwere ma de sue do onye no kwa e wo ho na Bible jada wejia no wazeka Isaiah chapter 66 verse number 22 ekosi 23 me no wahwede ma de sue e me ya beti ase de abra Isaiah ekada masemi na oban Israel afi no bokonkosum ewo Babylon entiza onyankopon mu ohuni ni de se wokonkosum ma enda ono onyankopon ahye a oye 70 years after them 70 years no onyankopon ni won baba wonechi ewo boshe asase na ozimo ho no do. That is new environment. And to heaven no you see no it was talking about new environment. I didn't see any able do a new environment o said there and zema onyankopon kan ewo verse 20 education verse 23 no say effort today or a trade do what trana one case of into contrary into explain the way the Bible is because one onyankopon be chirem there one them new environment na or heaven no was it anantwi was it mwa and it was boko na wokwa wogigisia e wo Jerusalem na wa abafal amo no Yakupon manu kese fi Isaiah chapter 66 verse number 20 eko verse number 23 Bible no be share there was it fresh and it was a boko na Onyankopon na asem di adanse e wo 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse number 50 the fresh for fresh and fun heaven what for fresh and fun ko it is obi or interpreting there the man no contest in it there or contradict plain passage now message any interpretation that contradict a plain passage means that your interpretation or your exegesis is wrong. You have faulty in your exegesis. And to when you hear muno, ewo ho. O say na Bible no on contradict. And to say awo entu ma interpret nye ya. That does not mean that obiara so to interpret nye. And see say obi interpret Isaiah chapter 66 verse number 20 to 23. Though ye heaven other suwe ye new to ya. Over contrary plain passage. And I said background of the plan enyim. Etampa na yeke. Memenda for agrees there. The quotation no or kasafa Israel for the one kosuma wolboko e Babylon. Na Onyankopon bekeke you want because Onyankopon enam Jeremiah no Jeremiah chapter 25 verse number 11 and 12. Over King Israel for I be sitting there. Over kosum e Babylon 70 years. After 70 years no ono Onyankopon zo no be sana aba bocha asase no. Ono na Isaiah e ka be sitting there. Say what ba or a new heaven or a new environment. O man Israel what ba no abaye nzema no Onyankopon ahye no foforo e wasase no. It's Daniel chapter 9 verse number 1 to 3. Abra ohin Saros ene ohin Daros what you tum ifre Babylon for ewo woma Israel for ekwan eho na Daniel bompa the Onyankopon ehyen nkom eme yehu ne de yebuka ke yankoa ewo Babylon. Na after 70 years no ezian baba 70 years na aso hu ya mobwa na bo hen me ntumi ne yanko boche asase do according to Ezra chapter 1 verse 1 to 3 ohen no mo hon kwan eme Israel fo no eba boche asase do bio na nipa ozika na obey Zorobabel Zorobabel no as a remnant or the binum be na oben obesi Israel for one temple no ezemo onechu no Ezra the scribe also oni binimbe no oben obaruso the worship of the Jews na onechu no Nehemiah obe no be oni binimbe oben no obesi the walls of Jerusalem oni tibulo fa modo erazimu enti asema commissioni Isaiah kan e wa Isaiah chapter 66 verse number 20 to verse number 23. Okay, so the for Israel for one kosu wo bokwa and the wo bokwa no be se wonichi ababashe asase no edo na maybe therefore ewo another point was also raise Constantine no be se memene da na odekro kosi ada Constantine no be se memene da odekro kosi da ye de ba se de dikna kan da do ya ba me ya ba ya bohwe emma mankesempo metu adwin besi oye Mattox FW Mattox ni buku Eternal Kingdom za yimizini okompale na oken edefo ho ewo FW Mattox buku a oye Eternal Kingdom meno bible hwe ewo page 125 eho the influence of Constantine eho enebo Constantine Jumeza obe no be bezi ye ba ye bohu ne de bra Constantine nankasa wo won ema oba wiase na Bible wache owi Constantine wo won ema oba wiase na Bible nankasa wache owi Constantine won AD 274. 274. No Constantine. Bible, the last book, John Chrowe. John AD 100. No way. And the last book of Chrowe. Revelation. Ocho ewo 80s. Kesi 90s. And John Chrowe book we 100 AD 100 no John Lewu. And the be AD 100 la and Constantine one. And wa babo wa besesa. Memele da no because that be show. And obiara obeke Constantine no obesesa memele da no other clock sida no. Natural one only ma bokosema of a Bible. Two only Bible mu. Because obiara no ma bokosema from Bible. Onye the mistake kesi. Ewo bra Constantine one. Na Bible watch we no make the Constantine obeye ma memenda okay Sunday. Modofo obiara nka. Oniti ye be ye bu hu ne de. Abla ahemfa wetin to do a wo be ye be ye bu hu ni. Augustus Caesar onu obedikan ewo Rome ahinze odi wiase hinado ye be ye hu ewo Luke chapter 2 ye be ye bu hu ni Tiberius Caesar otodo ebien ewo Rome ahinze mu enti AD 14 kwesi AD 37 ana Tiberius Caesar no ho Luke chapter 3 the man abro no in the Christiansum ashase because Christiansum ashase were AD 33 and the only through Claudius Caesar ebe Caligula Caesar ebe Nero Caesar ebe yebe nya anfe basa 68 we na pay mu Otto Gaba Vitellos we na ebe wo firi ho Emma Vespasian AD 69 obe Emma Vespasian oye neba Titus acting governor Rome na ozo neba paying neba paying Titus ozo go to Jerusalem as army commander na ozo Domitian ozo go to Rome oil acting governor. And see, AD 70, Jerusalem was saying no, never Titus, no Jina, no commanding Emma was saying AD 70. Matthew chapter 24, Zayesu Kuso Oken, Ewo verse no 1, Ecosi verse number 35. Nihi no Casafa, Jerusalem was saying no Baba say no. And the transition, or shall say Ewo verse number 36, and that in it donezi, Obiari him, that is the transition. That is a clear antithesis. Sharp contrast. Odi adanse the mabrono no okasa. Verse number 36 no okasa fa wiase de wi ehu. Oniti Constantine e sheki kwa. Enti Titus be Domitian ebe Trajan never the book of na be Constantine otodo 26th emperor 26th emperor Roman ahinzim ne enfia ozebe 300 plus and son Constantine ebe busy him the time na Bible watch we am masmafo ni na ewu first century Christians we hinampo ewu and son Constantine erba and how much more na Constantine be sesa me do ko consider. Meanwhile, so Bible is mudasi there. A Christopher was can no wushia ekura zizi. 1 Corinthians chapter 11, verse number 23 to 26. Acts chapter 20, verse number 7. Ne Christopher wushia ekura zizi. Enti so obi kade Constantine no obesesa memenda no do kwaya onya no kwa. Ye be ye bo hwe bebre ye hwe ye be ye bo hu ne go fuka Yesu Kristo obey no amese embre no na obehye ne ma ye be ye buhu ne de embre na Yesu Kristo okay do wa ambese no obehye ne ma no okasa for the Torah, Pentateuch, the 5 books of Moses, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. Them 5 books now what kind of one some woman no on no as 7 or care for no or bad all more. Luke chapter 24, verse 144 to 47. And Yesu Christo say what kind of fun home a war Moses in Blenheim. The what kind of fun home a war in Comshepulum. The what kind of fun home a war David June. Ono no bed there all more. And say Abra also na send you no. Yesu Christo obey bekade. It is finished. It is finished. Ye be ye muhune de dem kesefue. Oye business term, another accounting term, that is tetelustra. And the tetelustra no paid in full. And see as you be Allah offer yam somo ho Yesu Kristo aba ebu tweka obiara obua amanimpa oyen yam som na le kanoko. That is why 2 Peter chapter 1 verse number 3 no osi za obua yam sompa za oma yankwaji owie pay ni hinaro no wa da nezi e wochiresem. So nothing is left behind. Bibiale nkechi ewu enti Onyankopon aka ni hinara enti e Kristofo yezi Kristo na hihye ya odaboto enti meme na hihye no sabat mbra no Onyankopon ankasa eyi efu ho on enti ye be ye bo hwa adusua otedam ye bo twa gbe besi de za nkofo eka nka memendafo za wata wakan de Paul mpo no so memenda Paul mpo no so saba na ye bo twa aduse no onye wonwa onye hwa asomafo wo ye nkoko 12 na Paul beka mo 18 asomafo nkoko 12 na Paul beka mo 18 na Paul beka hu Paul yi wasa ona je no so memenda Paul zi na oso memenda nti se Paul so memenda asomafo de bienu na oso mlebe memenda France wo di tumba fe de na da masomafo de bienu oso nkosida nti ampere wase Paul zi oso memenda na me no Onyankopon asem no botwe adwe besi de onye no kwalimpo de Paul no oso memenda abra Onyankopon yi free Paul free memenda sumunu no wansira nko memenda sum akoso mbiem dabi wanko ankoso mbiem na me no kenkane Bible njada ho bebre a o che de Paul Onyankopon yi ni free ho no wansira nko obiem onenti me metwe adwene si Paul ne zeno na yefoko yenenim yenhwe za Onyankopon wo ozimahem enti Paul Onyankopon ekese tro de Paul yi ofi de mabroko ame Onyankopon eme Christ me no wo dwumeza a me no bezi na dwumeza a me no bezi no za ebeye de ebobo ho mbozin de ebokwa amana me mfrum na akachechewo ti asema osi ewo Acts chapter 9 abra Paul okwa jitum odi free o mana owom ne mpemfo na oye na adwene de obo akacheche Kristo na chizifo Yesu Kristo na asefo no Kristo fu na wo ho Yesu Kristo na asoro no Church of Christ fu na Onyankopon apa wona ono Paul why na adwene de okwa akacheche won no za Yesu Kristo ye ende ode no wezi de Paul na abro ode no wezi Paul Bible say bibi gu na nyodo today enam ahoma orenti Yesu Kristo kese tire do onko oboke kese obreme bia ye fra Ananias na obechenza onye abara Paul na continue mu no Yesu Kristo dwumeza ode hye ne nsa ewo Acts chapter 9 verse number 15 and 16 but the Lord said to him, go, for he is a chosen vessel of mine to bear my name before Gentiles, kings, and the children of Israel. For I will show him how many things he must suffer for my name's sake. And the asema Yesu Kristo okay odisre Paul ni Paul awo ma force nko de bankasa mezi na ebokodo ezimu ho dase akere amana amanimufo Gentiles ebokodo na ezi dase akere ahemfo na abombosen de ebe church Israel mbaso na meme ehu ambenze dodo awo mizininti enti dem na Oyakopon ezi dwumazin odi share onua Paul nessa enti ose awo Paul mezoba ma amana mo fura chechre hon one obokona nim na wa chechre ahemfo teyo Paul na okejina ohen Agrippa na nyim na ochechre Agrippa kade okekekre bi mama ba Kristoni okekekre bi ohen Agrippa because Acts chapter 9 verse 15 chede although church ahemfo ina aka ho enti ohen Agrippa onye Paul body hum basin no church no Yakobon na se bebre ema oduru baby no ohen nankesa ye na adwene de akekeke bi emanche ono ohen Agrippa aba ye Kristoni okekeke bi ema dem ohini anka wotum na wobezi Yesu Kristo ne cheche echiro on it would fa mudo Eurazimu enti onyo Paul ne dwumezi a wode hye ne sene ena Oyakopon ke che de omo mazenda obecheche Israelfo na obeye dan na wa cheche Israelfo se wanko Israelfo wo nhyiemu a ontu me cheche ho enti oye dwumezi a wode hye ne nsa na Jewfo no so want na paado no won so ogbekihyem e wo won synagogue mu enti synagogue mu no na wode Paul otum ko enti Oyakopon share de Paul on church Gentiles no on church ahemfo na on church na nuanu Jewfo na wofiwo mu epei enti okade ma asem kire enti ti asema onye Paul eken e Galatians chapter 1 asema onye Paul okay e Galatians chapter 1 verse number 13 verse number 13 is for you have heard of my former conduct in Judaism, how I persecuted the church of God beyond measure and tried to destroy it. And Paul said, and can't make an abra, make one what you for a summoning. And say, maybe that's some now was some. What for the Jew for Essum? The Muslim were for the Jew for Essum, Judaism. The Muslim one for 70 days Sabbath. One for the SDA, that be Bible, memenda for one suma was for Judaism, Jew for Essum. And the Bible say, Paul, the Muslim no woman, or Howie, or Yakupan Nasono. I persecuted the church of God beyond measure and tried to destroy it. No, of one home was there, or best say Christ Nason. The church of God, no, the church of Christ, no, the church of the Lord. And the men are solid now, or ye Christ Nason. Paul, ye na agenda, and best say the Mason. Obey a son if you ask it, or back as one I said, Mobaya, a son, Okotum Wejina. Don't forget, yes, you could say, okay, our Matthew chapter 16, verse number 18 and 19. Or see, you are Peter, and upon this rock I will build my church, and the hate shall not prevail against it. And see, Asema, yes, you could so, Odenezini, I wonder Peter, or Bustalido, and a Mezamaster Bessie. Na some laze prokase lontu menzido yin enti nothing will suppress the church of the Lord. Briefly you are obotu wa kewazna so na hye no way enkofu be try obo won bozi ni biara de wo be ho Kristo na safo no na so ontunu anka asafo na nhyanda na so obotu wa ka ahya anka yende no do osi akodo osi wasafo abelo. Because the Bible, it was a severe persecution. Or ties in no, or send that, say it to there's a Christ or do to walk. Entampa ena obalima Polycarp oduru be wase ondina Yesu Kristo na onyankwa asema Polycarp ken I have served Jesus Christ 86 years. He has done me no evil. Why should I deny him? On the account of what he said, he was finally killed. And see, what's the Polycarp? Ompu Yesu Kristo na onya nkwaji. Aboko sem di adanse de. Asema Polycarp kani. Masu Yesu Kristo enfi eduawotwe esia onye mboni biara da oninti mompo no na the masema Polycarp kano wokum Polycarp se inya Mattox ni boku a make wasemi the Eternal Kingdom se inya bia F.W. Mattox se inya bia page 64 ebenya asamia marking ewo page 64 Polycarp is best known as the Archbishop of Smyrna who was martyred for his faith. The story of his death was one of the first to be recorded and circulated among the churches. He was killed February 22, 156 AD at 86 years of age after he had served an elder of the church for 40 or 50 years. About the year 115, Polycarp wrote a letter to the church at Philippi. The letter begins, Polycarp and the elders with him. It continues with admonition to godliness, consisting mainly of the Bible quotations. He quotes at least 60 passages from the New Testament and presents no idea falling to his teaching. As to the governor of the church, he mentions no distinction in bishop and elder, but admonishes the church to be subject to the presbyters and deacons. And see, say actually the marking eba ebenya Polycarp no wasem ni hinara ewo ho. On it mudo orazimu. Onyankopon nasem ene abokwasem a of Bible ho hinara eye nokwa. And see Paul onyankopon yin the umbra na ombobua make sense mu pay. And see we yin no the Paul eken any. Verse 14. I advance in Judaism beyond many of my contemporaries in my own nation, being more exceedingly zealous for the traditions of my fathers. But when it pleased God, who separated me from my mother's womb and called me through his grace to reveal his son in me, that I might preach him among the Gentiles, I did not immediately confined with flesh and blood. And see asema onua Paul King na okura na nyim e wajufo asumum ese ne nkofo a na wo ho dama abro na also onyankopon enyi onyankopon na oyi ni fene na ni yem eni no o se de de ombaka ne doba no ho asam nkyere amana amanifu. And see Paul na edwumani and see Paul fu ho na o sha ase do cheche onyankopon ase. And see Paul shas de or church oyakopon asem. And asem bisa memendafo wo bisa yin de nti obale den na Paul odu sabata na ko sabata okwo okoso onya no kwal. Because oyakopon ka chere de on church Gentiles on church kings na on church Jew fu so nka ho. Asem bisa ye bisa yin de Jew fu wo hia e wo synagogue nti sɛ wɔhyɛ synagogue so deɛ na sɛ Paul ɔbɛrɛ ɔkyerɛkyerɛ wɔn a hemfa na ɔbɛgyina wakyerɛkyerɛ wɔn beebi otu wɔn gyina ayɛ dɛ ɔdɔ ɔkɔ wɔn hyia mu na otu wɔn akyerɛkyerɛ wɔn ɔno nti ɛna ɛnte adade ante dɛ apostles nkɛn no ɛbɛte wɔkɔ mmemme na fo hyia mu ante but Paul si na ɛbɛsi biara no na ɔhyɛ Jewfoɔ mu ɔsane dɛ na adwuma kɔ de hyɛ ne nsa yi dɛ ɔnkyerɛkyerɛ ne nuanom Jewfoɔ no so nka ho ɛnti ɛbɛhyɛ ne nsew na ehu ne dɛ dɛm na Onyankopɔn ɔde ne zi ɔde fa adesua a ɔte dɛm ɛho ɛnti Paul Acts chapter 13 no verse number 14 no onua Paul ɔbɔ mbɔdzen dɛ ɔbɔkɔ Jewfoɔ nhyia ɛwɔ Antioch in Pisidia na ɔkɔ hɔ na ɔkɛkyerɛkyerɛ ɛwɔ Jewfoɔ nhyia ɛwɔ ɔno nti za Onyankopɔn ɛde ne zi ɛwɔ hɔ enyi Acts chapter 13 verse number 14 no onua Paul ɛkɔ hɔ na ɔkɛkyerɛkyerɛ ɛwɔ hɔ because ne bɔtɛɛ dɛ ɔdɔ ɔkyerɛkyerɛ Jewfoɔ no ɔse but when they departed from Perga they came to Antioch in Pisidia and went into the synagogue on a Sabbath day and sat down. And after the reading of the law and the prophets, the rulers of the synagogue sent to them, saying, men and brethren, if you have any word of exhortation for the people, say on. And he said, and after one church, we read one Sabbath laws, the Torah, and then prophets, then commission for the cane. We no more Paul no conde, once the word one can. And see, once the over can, or a simple free, Jew was now over the can. And see, verse number 16. Then Paul stood up, motioning his hand, and said, men of Israel, you who fear God, listen. And say, or shall sit all to answer, Israel and Ba will slow young open in tea. Because when you prefer there, as some and yet Israel fleeing out of Bajatu, and yet you feel out of Bajatu, then will be obedient more will slow young open out of Bajatu. The God of this people, Israel, chose our fathers and exhort the people when they dwell as strangers in the land of Egypt. And say, or shall say, no Kenya, Egypt, a continent, and go for ma, how our women, them will see Nina, so I can now baby see yes, Christ or corner of the bed, now ordinary summer bottle, and to Paul, they do not ye. And so I can miss me or take me now, no baby bottle or one talk, or the moment there, on in see, O Yankopan, yes, Christ, the umbra, no Yazi, and one. And to the master no can, verse number 37, but he whom God raised up saw no corruption. That is the he there is Jesus Christ. And who pray no sorry. Verse number 38. Therefore, let it be known to you, brethren, that through this man is preached to you the forgiveness of sins. It's the meaning pay and the year that is actual that also one for free abba we are see. And by him, everyone who believes is justified from all things from which you could not be justified by the law of Moses. And the ononumu obialo beginezi no obobu ni bim bimja oni emblebu kunu emu. Verse number 42. So when the Jews went out of the synagogue, the Gentiles begged that these words must be preached to them the next Sabbath. And see abla Jewfoɔ pay yipe. Amanam first, hey Paul, where the best so the master me ati bombos pa na next Sabbath no odu Sabbath be ma sansubla the bechechen Christ wasam nti enye meme na hihye no bia enye 10 commandments ni bia enye Sabbath ni bia yiye Kristo ho chechre na nkofo they were pleaded there Paul besana ba bechechen modofo nti Bible is adanse the onua Paul okro ho botia zo kwende okacheke Jewfo no the mara na Acts chapter 17 no so okre da okachakire oye Jewfo na wo ho naksa nti Acts chapter 17 woni hiemu ho na Paul kwe sentra okọ wende odo otum na ote Onyankopon ne nchekere na ozaman oya pamfofo no o ma Jewfo no so wati. Now when they had passed through Amphipolis and Apollonia they came to Thessalonica, where there was a synagogue of the Jews. Then Paul, as his custom was, went into the and 3 Sabbaths reasoned with them from the scriptures. And see, Ampara, Abra Paul, Obe Bodri, Oya Thessalonica, Obuhuni, Jufu, Winishim, and to them ready to Eno, or Coho, Penaho, Ebasa, no Catachua. Nanation, so I don't know, Jufu, Wobufu on a Paul. And see, Ekans or that, a Modo Odu baby, Jufu, Yawa, there, we are Paul over how. And see, Oyakupan enam Paul do not yet shred Jufu no more by ya over Yakupon as easy. Verse number 3, explaining and demonstrating that the Christ had to suffer and rise again from the dead, and saying, this Jesus whom I preach to you is the Christ. The Jew for the angel to the so under Christ no, because then you know the Christ, that means he is Messiah, the anointed one. And to do friend into and a Paul Akuba the Massimido, and to nations on don't know that OC any. And some of them were persuaded, and a great multitude of the both Greek and not a few of the leading women joined Paul and Silas. And to Greek folk and Jew folk, Obinum Club Paul nature. Obinum Club Paul and Silas 5. But when Jews who were not persuaded, becoming envious, and took some of evil men from the marketplace and gathered a mob, set all the city in uproar, and attacked the house of Josan, and sought to bring them out to the people. And see, you for now, one did a master Christ that's a to know. We yell focus now. Now, what funk or four, what I tell you, what yes, say out, what's about the whole. Paul Nisilas, Ewo Bla, baby, and war, or just in ho, two sa ho, more by ya, will be create scene, no other how, Paul Nisilas, more by ya, will be you upon national, or ye a performance if you on its mother, Modo, Erazimu, Bebre, no what is ya, or to the moon, and see Jew for now, Paul, no one channel, but here the coin there, or catch it on Christ once, and see Acts chapter 8. Verse chapter 18, verse number 1, verse number 4, now verse number 18. Acts chapter 8, verse number 1. After these things, Paul departed from Athens and went to Corinth. And see, only Paul free Athens, but Corinth. Verse number 4. And he reasoned in the synagogue every Sabbath and persuaded both Jews and Greeks. And see, na oklo Jufu ehiem na odwon ko suade na obom gbaze no de obekire emma enwon na wo ho Jufu ene Greek fo obinim je za Onyankopon adedezi no etum. Verse number 8. Then Cyprus, the ruler of synagogue, believed on the Lord with all his household, and many of the Corinthians, hearing, believed and were baptized. And the Bible says, Cyprus no oye Jufu when in shame fear hoping or GZ and in the fear hinara. Na onyono so kote kolonto bebre so GZ. Na wobu honesu emo ba beye Church of Christ fo wobu honesu emo ba beye e Christofo wa mbu honesu emo anka e memendafo o se na memendafo no na wo twom e woda mabro bodo fa bodo o razimu enti Onyankopon na Paul do ema ye beye bo honi de e Christofo a wozi kan no na wo so kosida ono bodo fa bodo e o razimu Bible ne kire de e Christofo yeshe Christo nembra se ewo apamfufu no enti Christo nembra ewo apamfufu o si ono na obegina do no zebu nimpa atem. John chapter 12. Yesu Christo nembra na obegina do ebu nimpa atem ewo in there. enti Yesu Kristo na mbra eni apam de dem na mbra e wo apam fufuru e Kristofo yesum wo apam fufuru mu yensum wo memenda nhihye no enti Yesu Kristo last more ken e wo John chapter 12 verse number 48. He who rejects me and does not receive my words has that which judges him. The word that I have spoken will judge him in the last days. And Yesu Kristo say, in your opobe na onjimi sam owonia obunatam na sema maka no onwara na obunatam e wonda ozehinu. And Yesu Kristo na sema waka na wapofu fremu no ono no obejado ebunatam. Na apofu fremu so wanka sabat ho asem ewo. The Christ of was more Sabbath, Daddy. No Christian no small Sabbath. Messi asumafun 1 year kwa way 12. Paul become way 13. A coupe new or some memenda. A coupe new or some memenda. Paul Nalepa was also memenda. Many way upon us some like one there. There be a cock on a motel or some, the motel there or catch it on Christ once. New Testament church not come on. On into Christopher, Yeshia, oh, Chrisida, Yeshia, oh, Memenida. Nay, and soon we are open. And so one of the canoe, and we share Chrisida. On into Asama, on ya Paul Ken, oh, Acts chapter 20, verse number 7. Acts chapter 20, verse number 7. On the first day of the week, when the disciples came together to break bread, Paul was ready to depart the next day. He spoke to them and continued his message until midnight. Ose, na the payment da ozikana esuafo hie de obo pano enti ekristo fa wozikana no se wo hie kosi da wozi ewradze edizi. And it's a washia kwesida woko raze zizi. When shia memeneda. And it's a ever good news Bible. Because what better what you support what a training. Baby or your first day no. No, I Saturday because what better what you support one translation. One translation what you support in church or church. But so I dama what Bible the same no. You go to me can do. And they see there or bias. Or them are not the mortal. No obio pero can count on Tiasi, no suya, no joy upon us. And the Bible say the people that Ozikana, if you have to see a bobu pano. The people that Ozikan a cosiada into a cruise of Wosiada Marbrono, no woods in Brazil. And to the master mia or see nature and sana John all about the book or your relation and sana John the boo and nature what about Constantine and my Constantine all about penny and sana were busy him. Now so what the catch of Constantine or Bassett memon and then not the Bakusida. Now meaning the Constantine ha uncle wasting one quarter the other. So Tiasinda was one quarter the other because I don't yet no addition low. Now obeying yazi the addition so I man. Look at smart window. Or ya joy one don't yet. Now four star because why ye? Or ya one pa. And to buy what is ya dance the a kiss of our witty canoe so was she woko razizi. Now you razizi and the woko. Neso was ya we be bois a razino cofa no what you want the marble. First Corinthians chapter 16, verse number 1 and 2. First Corinthians chapter 16, verse number 1 and 2. On the first day of the week, let each one of you lay something aside, store up as he may prosper, that there will be no collections when I come. And the Bible says, now often or 2 hours wasn't the poor boy and what's well for Nazi. Them the machine as sola or galetium. The mara na me na in ye. Me don't think a woman chat. The pen with that Ozican. And the minia ba one teacher into what. And a case so far, where's the canon? ene wo hye kosi da weyi ntoboa na ozibua ewuraze no nkofo na wo ho chi won dem abro no oni tibudo fa modo ewuraze no enye ba na enye da nia Constantine ba yi no abasesa adesuan otedam na mmom owo hodedo ansa na Constantine ankesa owo modofo orenchal na mzo abewie yi ewo adesuan oye Saturday or Sunday, on which day the first century Christians worship God. And since the yajani no osini dua ema yehu de e Kristo fa wazikan metre asumafu de bien Paul beka ho awedo basa ene nkofa we 3000 wo bo lesu beka asumafu ho ene enwana wo beka ho emo be 5000 ene enwana wo se ne beka ho emo wo bo 5000 de bu ko fu hinara na kosida na woso yeho yakopan onitimudo fa mudo orazi no office ende eriko so obi kachira ode o wode eso memenda messi eso memenda eboko semu o send de onyankopan zi de pemuda ozikan no de besiwo de kristofu yefonsom won fa mesiwo keke de pemuda ozikan oye kosida no yeshia onyankopan achi nzema yenye no onyankopan adlezi Acts chapter 2 verse number 42 Bible say and those who were baptized they continued in apostles' doctrine, fellowship, breaking of bread, and in prayer. And see the men zamana Bible no adenezi no say ye shame the peri mudo zikana onyakopan ahyede ye fenye dwuma. And see onwere ogbesu no oboso asomafo ncheche woni fekubo mpaebo ne pan bubu mara. And see a Kristo fa wazikana no say wosia wo bompa. On into 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 8 Bible says I desire therefore that men pray everywhere lifting up holy hands without wrath or doubt. O say odo nyankopon na oboso ne asase no opede nimpa se wo hie da na asore na opede mbema bompa e wo mbia hina woman insa oye konkron ebofu ana yenye biara enyim enti insa na oho no just a metonymy okasa odefa abrabo supa okede nimpa ebo enti onyankopon na asem dia dance de e Kristo fa wozika wo hia wo bompa na mbema na wo bo enti asoli biara o momba kan emo bompe erobra mbemo ho no wafu yakopon asem enti yi na kristensom ehye eti kristensom ehye enyen e Kristo fa wozikan se wo hia wo chechre 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 11 through 13 ose na mepede mba wo ye kom na wusu na hobrasi nan na obazi memma no kwande on chechre ana onzi obarima ndutum na mu onye kom adentra o se na wodi kan bo Adam ansa wo bo Eve eso enye Adam no wadada no mo ka ye mo na mu obara enti onyankopon se aso no wo hia e wo de pemu do zikan na opede emba no wo ye kom wo sua e wo Brazil enti oba no wo ma ne kwan do mba gina enyim enti wo Bible mu wo Christiansum abrodo oba no ntu mba ye sofo no mba gina aso nanim no chechre no se oba be gina aso nanim no chechre wo afum do yakopon aka it is in your Bible 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 11 asema onua Paul okay 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 11 asema onua Paul okay like a woman Learn in silence without submission. I do not permit a woman to teach or to have authority over a man, but to be in silence. And see, mema oba kwane de on church ana onzi obarima ndutum. And see, oba le to make hot no many places. We are talking about New Testament worship, New Testament teachings. And see, I am a man church bia. Apam fu church ni onyankopon hwehwe de sa so ne yehia de resoma mbema nze enyim won church. Mbema need places. Mbema onzi paibo nanim. Mbema na church. Ne ya mo ba pan mo mbeze enyim. Ye ti kan ya be abotwe wrata disi no do kosida otwada aso no ye. Ya be abotwe da yehia kosida o da aso no ye bo ehomazin. De botum ne ye yibi abo wrase yeduma. Modafo meseme wole bewi ewo yakopon nasemo. Enti Christian som no yakopon de besi wo. Obiara obokoti Christian som no obezifo. Honest modafo za the truth ye kan hinai de oyankopon a oboni mpa ho ban oyankopon a ohye nyimpa oyankopon a onimpa tsena onkodo mbo ho ban ende ene wa ko ni mina kosi de ebesem bi hye biem oyankopon nhyiro o Kristo zin amen. Mezezi Joseph Ishmael Abimensa.